Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Ford. This three-door van has a 5-cylinder, 3.2-liter i5 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 120,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, power steering, digital odometer, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.